Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw the creature from the Black Lagoon's face. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin like with a little eyebrow ridge. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to come up like this. So we're just going to start here, we're going to make a line that goes down, and it's going to come up like that. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes up, and then I'm going to do the same thing over here. And then I'm going to make another line that goes out and comes back. Do the same over here. Now, right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to flatten out a little bit, and then it's going to round off and come down. Now the creature from the Black Lagoon has some big eyes. So starting right about here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and it's going to come up. Then we'll do the same thing here. We're going to go out and then we're going to bring it up. I'm going to add a few little lines right underneath the eyes. And then I'm also going to add a few little lines right around the edge here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and it's going to curve in. And another one here, it's going to go down, and then it's going to curve in. Then right here, I want to start with the mouth. I'm going to start right here. I'm going to make a line that goes up, and then it's going to come down. Make another line that goes up. It's going to come back down and then right to here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then it's going to come up here. And when I draw the bottom part of the lip, we're going to go down, it's going to come up and then down, and then it's going to go right over here. Now, he doesn't really have much of a nose, so I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to add this little curved line that's going to come up to right about here. Then I'm going to add another one that does the same thing. It's just getting a little smaller. Then I'm just going to continue doing this, and like I said, they're just going to keep getting smaller and smaller until they get right up to the top. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around, and then one right here that's going to curve around. Then I'll make another one right next to it. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and in. Then one right here that goes down and then in. Make another little line that just kind of curves around, and then one that does the same thing here. I'm going to make a few little lines underneath the lips, and then we'll add a couple little curved lines right here. He's going to have kind of like a big throat or chin right here. Kind of reminds me of a frog a little bit. And then there's going to be another really big one right around here. And I like to add a lot of broken lines in here just to show some texture and wrinkles. I'm going to do the same thing in here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a line. It's going to come out. It's going to go down and in. Same thing here, out and then down and in. Make one right here. It's going to be a little bit bumpier. And then I'm going to make one more that kind of comes down here and do the same thing over here. Now I want to add some lines on here for texture. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add these lines. They're just going to go out, And then you'll see that they'll slowly start to become, they're going like vertical, they'll slowly start to become horizontal as they come up. Do the same thing here. We're just going to go down, and then as they come across here, they're going to slowly start to become more and more horizontal. So I'm just going to add these all the way across. And then I'm going to do the same thing down here on all of these. Now I want to come in here and add some more details and everything. So I'm going to add some more lines right around the eyes. I'm going to add some longer lines that come out here. Add some more lines right around the mouth. Inside the mouth, I'm going to make a little point that goes up and down on each side for some teeth. And then I'm going to make a little tongue shape. Then we can add a few extra lines kind of right along the lips. I'm going to add these quick little lines right around here. Just give it a little bit of texture. We'll add some more little details here and some more along the face. For the pupils, I'm just going to add a little line that goes down and comes up. Do the same thing here, kind of like an oval shape. Then I'm going to add a long, kind of almost like snake eye shape inside of here. And then I'm going to add a little circle and just kind of color this in. For the top of the head, we're going to make some lines that go down and then curve up. And then we'll make a few extra ones, some little broken lines around here. And then we'll add some more all around here. And just some more broken lines. Some broken lines right across here. We can add some, little partial circle shapes for some scales and stuff. We can do that right around his face here, some of these bigger open areas that we have. Just for some details, he is an aquatic creature, so have some of these little lines here. And there you go. There is your drawing of the creature from the Black Lagoon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.